Hello, and welcome to episode 4 of Rider Unpaid. The food was homemade. The show that teaches you how to cook all of the takeaway classics that we love in Great Britain and saves you a small fortune from not having to pay God knows who to deliver it. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're cutting out the middleman. Well, 3 middlemen, actually. 1, the chef on a skills shortage visa that just reheats last night's naan. 2, the delivery rider on a 0 hours, 0 rights, 0 complaints contract. And 3, the apps that line their pockets from them. 3 words: boycott, boycott, boycott. Anyway, let's get cracking with today's episode. Chicken Bhuna. This one is fire. Step 1, the onions. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and then add 2 large sliced onions and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cook over a medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Step 2, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Add 4 cloves of diced garlic, 2 teaspoons of diced ginger and 2 to 3 green finger chilies, diced. Stir for around 1 minute. Step 3, tomatoes and spices. Add 400 grams of chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika or Kashmiri chili powder, and 2 pinches of salt. Now mix and allow to cook for around 6 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Step 4, the chicken. Add 2 large chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, and coat with the masala. Cover and cook on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 5, bhuna. Remove the lid and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. Reduce the gravy until it clings to the chicken. Step 6, finish strong. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and a handful of fresh chopped coriander and stir. Finally, garnish with some yogurt and another handful of fresh chopped coriander. I served mine with some long grain rice, some naan, and a little mint and yogurt dip. Here's a close-up. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Take care. See you in the next one.